Hi, one of the most annoying thing when you come into the nature in hot days is bugs. So bugs normally annoy you and tease you. I was looking for some kind of mosquito net. I tried to buy a few, I don't know why, but it mostly canceled from the seller side. So finally I could manage to purchase one, which is good for sleeping for two people, and you can hang it from your inside your tent or from a tree. So I want to show you first of all what you need to do to install this thing from any tree anywhere you are. So what you need actually, you need these, I think they call it monkey fist. So I make it with a piece of a stone. You can find in YouTube how to do it, and a piece of paracord. You just throw it in top and just make a loop and then install your mosquito net. Yeah. Okay, the mosquito net finally is up. It's really good for 2%. You can put it under your tarp, like a tippy tarp, or even just alone. You just put the ground sheet there and then you're good to go. So the main problem of this mosquito net is how you enter inside the area. Unless you open one of these pegs from one of the corner and just pull it up and then go inside, or you can modify it to open this area. For example, you cut it and use the velcro or I don't know, gorilla tape or duct tape, just make a door or something. So far it shows that nothing actually can go inside. If I'm not wrong, the mesh size is 250. I mean, if you don't know what is 250, it's a 250 hole per I think per cubic meter, sorry, for a square meter, if I'm not wrong. That's how they call it. I think is 250. They call it mesh 250. But it's really good. Nothing can go inside because those things inside actually cannot come out. You can see, if you can just see this thing. Yep, it cannot come out, so definitely it's stuck there. So maybe we sleep outside and the bugs will stay inside. That should be fine actually. But I think this is something you must have, especially if you are in the tropical area or in your country in hot season or in the spring or early summer. You have a tons of bug when you're going outside. So this is quite nice, perfect for two people to sleep. There's a lot of space actually inside. I bought it $10, which is not bad for such a things, and I hope you like it. Take care, stay safe, bye.